Is your Nissan Murano's backup camera acting like it's on a permanent break? Let's get it back to work. First up, check your settings. Turn on your Murano, go to the settings menu, and make sure the camera's enabled. Sometimes it's just a simple glitch. Still no luck? Next, let's look at the wiring. Pop your trunk, find the camera, and make sure all the wires are securely connected. Loose wires can cause all sorts of problems. Now, if the screen is black or flickering, it might be the fuse. Locate your fuse box, find the fuse related to the backup camera, and see if it's blown. Replace it if needed. Another trick is to clean the camera lens. Dirt and grime can block the view. A quick wipe with a soft cloth can make a huge difference. Lastly, if none of these steps work, it might be time to visit a professional. Sometimes, it's more than just a DIY fix. Remember, a working backup camera is crucial for safety, so follow these steps and get back to driving with confidence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more handy car tips.